Well, hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're an OG, hi family. If this is your first time here, my name is Uche. Welcome. Why don't you join the family? Click the subscribe button right there. It's free, guys. Join the family. We have so much fun here. I bring you hair, makeup, lifestyle, gossip, everything. We have so much fun here, so why don't you join the family? Moving on, we're here today so we can learn, or rather I'm here to show you how to fake a fro on a budget. So if this kind of interests you, don't touch the towel, okay? So I was searching for faux human hair extensions that are not human hair but they can comfortably match my hair type, and I got this one from Natural Girl Wigs off Instagram, but you can get from their website. This video is not in any way sponsored by them. I just came across them and I liked it and I ordered. So I ordered the U Parts Faux Natural Wig, that's what it's called on their site. So it's said to be 18 inches premium fiber kinky coily hair. So this is not human hair, it's fiber hair, but it can serve as human hair because it really matches our 4C hair properly. So because it's kinky and it tends to be it tends to shrink a lot, so I tried the method that I would do to my natural hair, and that is to twist it out to sort of elongate it. I don't even know what I was trying to achieve, but it actually did work because I got more inches off it after I had twisted it this way. As you can see on the right, the way it is on the left is kind of how it looks like when it comes, but not exactly like this because I have already fluffed it out a little bit before I made this video. It comes actually quite kinkier than it looks like in this video right now. So I twisted it up to retain or rather to get some length of it before I used it. So just like I would do with my natural hair, I separated it a little bit while fluffing it out before I started to twist it up, just like I would do with my natural hair. I don't know how to explain how to twist. You guys should know how to twist up your hair. So this is what I did to the whole hair before I used it. So this is what it looks like after I had done twisting up the whole hair. So now I'm going to cut off the tips of the hair. And please ignore my arms. I just finished doing a clay mask on my hair, hence the whole messy arms. Anyways, it has a band right in front where the U part starts. I'm going to cut that off later in the video. I'm going to show you guys. So now let's get into the business. So my hair was already in old twists before I decided to do this video, and I'm not gonna take this whole twist down because of this video. So I'm going to use my hair like this. But if your hair is not in twists, it doesn't matter. You can pack your hair behind and just take out some to the front to be able to achieve this look the way I did it. So I just took out the part that I wanted to use for the front. I brought a lot of hair out because I wanted it to I wanted the bulk of the hair to be at the back. So I'm just taking out the part of my hair that I don't want to use, the twisted out part, and I'm just wrapping it at the back of my hair. The wig is definitely going to cover it, so it doesn't matter what your hair looks like at the back. Okay, I'm wearing a wig cap now, and this is what the wig looks like. the band I was telling you guys about. So now I'm going to cut it off so that I can place it as wide as I want. So this is a U part wig, but it can go as big as a C. It can go round from the left side of my hair to the right side of my hair. That's why I really like it. So it's versatile. It can be used both as a ponytail and as a U-part wig. That's why I went for a U-part wig as opposed to clip-ins, because I wanted to get clip-ins earlier, but then I chose this later on. So it has 3 combs to the front and I think 1 to the back, and then it has an elastic band at the back of the hair also. So I think, yeah, it has 5 combs in general to stick to your hair and give a better grip. So now I'm placing it on my hair. You guys can see how wide the wig can go, as opposed to just putting it to the front of my hair. I'm going to place a picture of the model that I saw wearing this wig on their website so that you can see that there are other versatile ways to wear this wig besides the way that I'm wearing it right now. So it's solely your choice how you want to wear it. And I think it comes in different circumference. You have to tell them the size, or rather circumference, of your head before they give you like the size that would match your head. So now I'll start to untwist the twist that I did earlier. And just like you're unraveling your natural head twist, look for somewhere in the middle, twist it the opposite way and just drag it down to the end, and that's it. So now I'm going to keep separating the hair to give it some volume. I'm going to keep doing this till I get to my desired volume. You can see the hair texture when I'm fluffing it out and how it closely looks like my hair. I could get away with this, guys. Well, I did get away with it. Some people were asking me if this was my hair or not. So I'm going to cut off the excesses from the tips of the hair as usual. And now I'm going to start to work on the front of the hair. So this is how it looks like after I had done fluffing out to the volume that I wanted. And I'll start to unravel my own natural hair now, just like the way I explained it earlier. Look for, or rather, unravel the opposite way, stick your hand in the middle and drag it all the way down. It's as simple as that. I don't think I need to explain this part. So yeah, just watch and see. If I wanted a messier look, I would have just left the hair like this and just arranged it into the wig, but I wanted a more defined look. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to put some gel in the middle of my hair to get a sharper cut. Guys, this is a hack. If you want to get a cleaner parting, put some gel in the middle or wherever it is you want to part, okay? So now I'm going to start twisting my natural hair into the wig, just like so. Just watch and see. So I'm going to do that halfway, leave it hanging and then pin it down. That way it looks more realistic, if that makes any sense. I'm going to use bobby pins now and hold the bridge where my natural hair meets the wig. I'm just going to use a lot of bobby pins and fix it. This part is do you like put as much bobby pins as you want to put, okay? So now I'm going to do the same thing to this other side. Guys, mind you that I bought this wig for 18,000 naira, and I think that's below $50, just in case you were wondering how much it cost me. And in my opinion, it's quite a bargain because it's not human hair and it really matches the texture of my hair, so it could pass for human hair, okay, if you get what I mean. So this is slaying on a budget. I probably would get the human hair one later to do a tutorial for that, but I would have to plan towards that. Okay, it's expensive. It's over 70k. That's almost $200, so a sister's got a plan for that. Okay, unless someone watching this video somewhere just wants to, you know, bless a sister, I mean, I'm open to blessings. Okay, anyways, so I'm pinning this down just like I did the other side of my hair, and voila, now I'm going to start to do my edges. Oh no, I'm not doing my edges right now. I'm just generously applying some creamy gel all over my hair and also at the top part of my hair, yeah, just like you can see in the video, so that I can brush it down and activate some waves on my natural hair to, you know, fit the wig more. So I'm using something that looks like a Denman brush, and I'm brushing down my hair while activating my curls. This step is important, guys. Do not miss it if you want to get that seamless, like it looks like my hair look. Okay, so now I'm doing my edges, and afterwards I'm just gonna put a scarf on it and go ahead and do my makeup, and you guys will see, don't worry. Ta-da! Who wants to see how I created this makeup look? Let me know in the comment section if it's something you would want to see. Okay, so now I'm going to take down my scarf, and my waves should have activated by now. I told you guys, can you see? This part is important. So now I'm just fluffing out the hair to give it some waves, and voila, this is it. Slaying on a budget. How did I do, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know, and let me know if you're gonna try it, and I'll leave all the information about the company that I got this hair from in the description box. There are different other ways to wear this particular U-part wig. I'm gonna put pictures, and then you can also visit their website to see. Like I said, this video is not sponsored, and I want to say this for all my natural hair sisters. If at any point you have ever thought of relaxing your hair, I want you to know that your relaxed hair would not be able to achieve all we just achieved, this whole beauty that you're looking at your screen right now. Okay, and I did not even say subscribe in this video. Wow, I'm proud of myself. But if you watched to this point, please like, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends, and God will bless you. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. See you in my next video. I have other videos. Watch.